Hello everyone, this is Deg Makeup and Gele. Oh, today I'm very excited. I am very excited. I don't know how to explain the overwhelming is overjoy. I'm overjoyed because today I am with, it's a big surprise. I am with one of the biggest YouTuber, the beautician. I am with her. I'm going to make up her face. I'm going to do her bridal makeup and Gele. I am very happy. I'm very honored. She is very nice. She is very supportive. So guys, I don't know where to start. The way I am very excited. I'm excited because she is very supportive. She supports me a lot. Please guys, stay with us. I'm going to do her makeup and Gele, 2 style. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a small YouTuber. That is the reason I'm very excited. Today I am with big YouTuber. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support me. The name of my YouTube channel is Deg Makeup and Gele. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support your girl. Please press the notification bell in case I upload any new video. You will be the first to watch it. Follow me on my Instagram, Deg Makeup and Gele. My Facebook, Deg Makeup and Gele. Thank you. We are about to start. Watch out. I am excited. Hi guys. I'm excited. I'm going to be getting my makeup done by the lovely Deg Makeup. I am, I am excited. We're going to get started now. So if you don't know Deg Makeup, I'm going to put her link down below. Make sure you check her, support her. Every details, everything you guys need to know about Deg Makeup and Gele. Every details is going to be in the description box. So I'm excited as well because I'm going to be popping. Thank you. Thank you. We'll get started now. I'm the model, guys, and I'm excited. Yeah, we're going to start now. Okay. Ooh, that smells really nice. Yes. I like getting my makeup done by somebody else. It feels really good. Do you like somebody doing your makeup? Yeah. Close your eye. This primer spray. Okay. Bye. Yeah, we like to change. Popping. I'm going to do our brows. Ooh, I like my brows already. Brows is one thing that I've changed my brow style like so many times. I'll do this style this time. I'll do this style. I've noticed I used to change my style of my brows. Yes. Once I was using one MAC pen. You know one pen? That's one. Yes. One time I stopped using it. I just brushing it out. One time I'm using gel. Now I'm using pencil. It's not easy. Thank you. Guys, no concealer, and look at my brows already popping. Make sure you support Deg Makeup. Make sure subscribe to our channel. Okay, support your sister, help her grow. Thank you.
Guys, we're not talking because when you're doing brows, you cannot talk. If you talk, your brows is gonna
bend.
Yes, so that's why we're not talking, okay? After we finish brows, then we can choose.
Okay, now I'm going to apply eyeshadow.
Ones, you can just change it around. Like if I'm going out, my MAC palette, I can arrange it the way I want to take it out, because I can take it out and put. Ooh, are we doing cut crease?
Yes.
Ooh, nice. Ooh, nice. Wow, guys, I'm loving my eyeshadow. So I think if you have more viral video, one can grow quick. But in life, you have to keep doing video. You never know the one that will go viral.
That's true.
The worst part is the ones you think will go viral don't go viral. Even the video that I thought that is not going to go viral. All my video that has 22 million, 10 million, 15 million, those are the video that I never thought would even get million. The one that I will take my time to do, now I'll be like, oh, I'm 100% satisfied with this makeup. They might not even go viral. That's funny with YouTube. Most times, the video that you don't ooh, it's nice. I have to learn how to do makeup like this. It looks like it's easier, isn't it? You know me, I have to do the foundation and everything.
Me, I've tried that method, but later when you do the eyeshadow, this place will be rough for me.
But that's the way I know how to do. Me, if I try this one, anytime I try this one, I end up not liking it. Ooh, wing liner. Wow. Hey!
Yeah, don't care.
Wow. Slaying.
Done with the makeup. This makeup is loud makeup. Very loud. Very loud. Stony one. Stony eyeshadow. Very, very loud. So next we are going to do Gele.
Okay.
I'm going to tie her bridal Gele.
Okay.
Stay with us. Thank you.
Okay. We are ready.
Ready, ready.
I find.
I'm grateful.
I'm popping. This is the final look. Hope you guys love this look. We did 2 type of gele.
Okay.
Let us know in the comment section which one is your favorite, okay?
Okay.
We want to know.
Okay.
We want to know which one is your favorite style, so let us know in the comment section.
Okay.
This one is B. This one is what? Weaving gele. The other one is what's the other one? The name of it?
Double fan.
Okay, the other one is double fan, and this one is weaving gele. So this is weaving. Okay. Let us know in the comment section which one is your favorite, A or B. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel as well, okay? Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video with family and friends, okay? If you haven't subscribe, turn on your post notification, okay? Get your girl to 1 million subscriber, okay? And show Deg Makeup and Gele some love, okay? Bye guys, love you guys. Bye.